रामचन्द्राय जनकराजजा मनोहराय मामकाभीष्टदाय महितमङ्गलम् चारुकुङ्कुमोपेतचन्दनानुचर्चिताय हारकटकशोभिताय भूरिमङ्गलम् विमलरूपाय विविधवेदान्तवेद्याय सुजनचित्तकामिताय सुभगमङ्गलम् रामदासमृदुलहृदय तामरसनिवासाय स्वामी भद्रगिरिवराय दिव्यमङ्गलम् दिव्यमङ्गलम् दिव्यमङ्गलम्.
Thank you. Jai Shri Ram. Thank you, girls. From the bottom of our heart, we thank all our well-wishers, right from our Secretary Madam, our President Ji, our Secretary Ma'am, Chief Guest of today's occasion, the principals, vice principals, in charge EOs of sister concerned schools, our parents, students, volunteers, our teachers from other schools. Everybody deserve you a big round of applause, Chil. The captain of the ship, the dynamic director is our Secretary Ma'am, Dr. Srimati Girija Sheshadri. She's so courageous like Kiran Bedi and tenacious like Narendra Modi. With her eligible, illuminative head she's the beacon of hope, epitome of courage. And Pogalam என்று சொல்பவன் தொண்டன், போகலாம் வா என்று அழைத்து செல்பவன் தலைவன். An apt leader she is. It's not an exaggeration, not a word of flattery. And what we feel and what we are trained for will live up to our expectations and make this Hindu Vidyalayas a proud one across the country. Thank you one and all. Jai Hind. National anthem follows. Janahana manahati nayaka jaya he Bharat bhagya vidada Punjab Sindhu Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkala Vanga Vindhya Himachala Yamuna Ganga Ujjala Jaladi Taranga Dab Shubha Name Jahe दब शुभहाशिष माहे गाहे दव जय गादा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विदादा जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय Jai. Thank you one and all.